If you look at our AIIMS hospital, we have patients who are on ventilator for years, months or weeks. And here itself in this cubicle, we have all these patients here for years together. And the only reason we're not able to send them back home is because they need to be sent on a ventilator. And other patients who are waiting for, we have a waiting list of more than 5 years.
If I rewind back around 1.5 to 2 years back, so it all started with discharging this patient who's Sachin in this case. So we gathered around that patient. We said, hey, listen, he's there in AIIMS from last 4 years, and we need to discharge him, and we need to make a device that he can take back home.
At that time, and even today, there is no cost-effective ventilator available in India. The cheapest ventilator which are there, portable ventilator, cost around 4 to 5 lakhs. And most of them are, bulky, require technical expertise and not at all user-friendly. Compared to normal ventilators, this device, if you look out here, this is extremely portable, very small, weighing less than 3 kgs. And it runs off an Android phone. So one thing we realized was that most patients and relatives, they own a smartphone. And we wanted something to make which was very user friendly. So we designed an app.
Have a look at the traditional ventilator. This is how big it looks like, but at the very same point of time, this is the size and the form factor of our ventilator. So it is exactly the same as the traditional ventilator, while being a fraction of its size and the fraction of the cost as well. Now, if I talk about this ventilator, this comes with a lot of shortcomings where our ventilator actually supersedes. So when we talk about this ventilator, it needs oxygen supply, it needs medical air. So if a person wants to take it home for a long-term ventilation, he cannot take it over there. Whereas with our ventilator, you simply plug it into the socket and it works just fine.
We have prices less than 50,000 rupees. That's the basic price for the basic version, and the running cost is less than that of a tube light. Easily 5 years shelf life is there for this.
इसके वेंटिलेटर लग गया, हाथ पैर कोई काम नहीं करते थे कि एक बंदा तो हॉस्पिटल 24 घंटे रहता ही था, मतलब चाहिए ही रात और दिन। हम वहाँ पर रोते थे, हम बहुत दुखी थे, हमारा कोई देखने वाला भी नहीं था। हम वहाँ पर किस तरह गुजारे हैं 5 साल, हम एक एक रुपए के लिए मोहताज हो गए, और न हमारा कोई कमाने वाला, हम अकेले थे।
उनकी वजह से आज 5 साल बाद हमारा बेटा घर पे है और हम अपने घर को भी देख रहे हैं और अपने बेटे को भी देख रहे हैं।
दिन में तो मैसेज रहती है, वो देखती रहती है, हम अपने काम पे चले जाते हैं, अपना काम ध्यान रखते हैं। इस वेंटिलेटर से हमें इतना फायदा हो गया कि घर पे आ गए, अपना घर भी देख सकते हैं, हम अपना रोजगार भी हम चला सकते हैं इससे। घर पे आके ये खुश है, ये भी घर पे अपने बहन के साथ है या सबके साथ रहता है, खुले रहता है यहाँ पर।
Anyone can go ahead to our website and buy this ventilator. More than 30 to 40 hospitals who are actually using it right now.
There is a acute scarcity, and I would suppose that around 1 million ventilators are urgently required across India right now. So here our ventilator fits in perfectly because it can be used at home, it can be used in the ward, it can be used as an ICU advanced ventilator, and yes, it can be used in the ambulances also.
जब से सचिन घर पे लेके आए हैं एम्स से, तो वहाँ पर 3 या 4 बच्चे अभी हो ना वेंटिलेटर पे, उसी कमरे में हैं। तो वो भी अब जाने की घर की तैयारी करें, वो भी कह रहे हैं हमें छोटा वेंटिलेटर हमारे पास भी लगाइए, हमें टेस्ट के दिए, हमें भी घर जाना है। सब बच्चे ये कह रहे हैं सचिन घर चला गया है, हमें भी घर जाना है।